Hello everyone, welcome to Lynn's Lingo. My name is Lynn and this class will be about basic Arabic personal pronouns. Later on there will be classes using these personal pronouns in basic sentences for the sake of carrying a very basic conversation. Like I promised before, if you have been following that I will be teaching several languages, and amongst them will be Arabic starting from today. And don't get discouraged if you see that I don't have a whole lot of views. I just started this channel a week ago and I don't record every day, so there will be viewers, I hope, and I thank you for stopping by, and I appreciate your subscription and your liking and your sharing. And there will be more classes for the avid foreign language learner, or just curious, or somebody who wants to make a career out of learning languages and even working in the field of language teaching, or just for the sake of maybe a hobby. Somebody wants to just learn how to speak foreign languages. As a matter of fact, it may come in handy anywhere, really. And there's a lot of remote work that you can do with foreign languages, teaching them online, because of what's going on in the collective world. So here we are going to start with this very first basic class in Arabic personal pronouns. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am, أنا, you are, أنت, and anti. Remember, in Arabic, just like French, there is feminine version and masculine version. If you are addressing a masculine entity, you will have to say anta, and if it's a female, it will be anti. Okay? He is huwa, she is hiya, we are nahnu, you are antum, antunna. Again, if you are addressing a group of masculine, if you are talking to a masculine group, you will have to say antum, and if it's a feminine group, antunna, antunna. And they are, again, feminine version, hunna, hunna, and masculine plural, hum. Okay, let's recap without reading in the English. We're just going to read the Arabic version of these personal pronouns. أنا, أنت, أنتي, هو, هي, نحن, أنتم, أنتن, هم, هن. Okay, so let's go ahead and recap. I am, أنا, you are, أنت أو أنتي, he is, هو, she is, هي, right there. We are, نحن, you are, أنتم, أنتن, for feminine version. They are, or just they, because you have to keep in mind when you are speaking Arabic, we are does not always have to be conjugated in any verb. For example, you can just say nahnu, which means just we. It doesn't have to be we are. We'll get to that later, and when we start making sentences. The same goes for they are. They can be just they. She is can be just she, and he is can be just he. You will get to know what I mean when I make these into phrases and short sentences utilizing these personal pronouns. So let's go ahead and repeat after me. Don't be shy, just go ahead and let it out. That's the best way to learn. أنا, أنت, أنتي, هو, هي, نحن, أنتم أنتن هم هن. Okay, very good. Nice try, and later on you will be a champ at it if you keep doing it with me. We will get to where you want to be in Arabic as far as this part of it anyways. So thank you for watching, and I am going to go ahead and in the next class I will be making short sentences. We're utilizing these terms, these personal pronouns, and where you guys can, just make a basic conversation, or just to get the hang of how to use these items while trying to speak in Arabic. So until then, I will see you later. مع السلامة.